Huge news coming in from US President Donald Trump, who's given out a statement against Emmanuel Macron. What's happening? Donald Trump slams publicity-seeking Emmanuel Macron. He said Macron is wrong. We're not working on a truce. The plan is much bigger and is not just a ceasefire. Basically, Donald Trump, responding on questions over Iran-Israel war, says something big is coming. Now, these are very cryptic statements that are coming in from Donald Trump. Trump says Macron always gets it wrong. Stay tuned for what's coming. Clearly, Donald Trump also building suspense, but it's a jibe against the French president, Emmanuel Macron, saying that he always gets it wrong. It's not about the ceasefire. Something big is coming. The plan is much bigger. What is it that Donald Trump knows that others possibly are not aware of? Even leaders heading other countries of Europe are not aware of what Donald Trump knows. Macron always gets it wrong, he says. So this is the big news coming in, that as situation escalates, in fact worsens on the ground between Israel and Iran, both sides striking each other. There have been casualties confirmed, facilities, new facilities vicinity have been hit. I want to bring in Shivani on this. Shivani, this is what can one say? Because this is a jibe between Trump and Macron, not something that I was expecting. But for Donald Trump at this juncture to say the plan is much bigger, it's not just about the ceasefire between Israel and Iran.
See, this is another cryptic post that has come on social from Donald Trump, which says that publicity-seeking President Emmanuel Macron of France mistakenly said that I left the G summit in Canada to go back to DC to work on a ceasefire. But he's saying here, Pooja, that he's going back for something bigger. So what's that bigger thing which US is planning? He's not going anymore for any kind of ceasefire mediation that he was doing. So he said that he's going for something bigger. So that is another indication. Earlier, he had given out that he has to leave G7 summit as early as possible because for the obvious reasons. He did not mention what was that reason. So another cryptic post by US President. He says that something bigger is there. This is not just for the ceasefire as Macron was suggesting. So we have to wait and watch that what is the indication that comes from United States as the US President Trump reaches back and what he is deciding for the whole evolving situation.